Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is almost here. It's making quite a stir in the tech world. This new model isn't just another iteration. It's a bold, refined upgrade that has smartphone enthusiasts talking. Let's dive into what makes this Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out and why it might be Samsung's most captivating flagship yet. One of the most noticeable changes, Samsung has stepped away from its classic curved display, opting for a streamlined, flat design that feels both futuristic and sophisticated. Techo Concepts renderings of the Galaxy S25 Ultra highlight this stunning shift. The phone's flat screen and ultra-thin bezels give it an immersive look, making the display appear even larger and more vivid. Now, let's talk color. Samsung's introducing a palette of sleek shades for the S25 Ultra, including titanium gray, titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver. But there's one more that's caught everyone's attention: Titanium Jade Green, an online exclusive color option. Imagine the titanium blue with its violet undertone that changes subtly depending on the light. It's Samsung's most daring color scheme yet and is bound to turn heads. For those who want a signature look, it seems Samsung is making titanium gray the flagship color, adding a layer of prestige to an already premium device. Under the hood, Samsung has gone all out with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, marking a major leap in performance. This powerhouse chipset has already scored impressively on Geekbench, and it's designed for users who demand speed and efficiency, whether for intense gaming or multitasking. But the Ultra might not be the only powerhouse in the lineup. Rumor has it Samsung could be launching a Galaxy S25 Slim model a few months later, offering the same Snapdragon 8 Elite power with a large 6.9-inch display. This edition could be a game changer for those who want top-tier performance in a slimmer package. Samsung's also refined the camera design, drawing inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The sleek, modernized rings around the lenses give the S25 Ultra a refined, cohesive look. And durability? Samsung hasn't held back. The phone's titanium frame is built to last, giving it a premium feel and toughness that few phones can match. With IP68 water and dust resistance, armor aluminum framing, and an anti-glare finish, a Galaxy S25 Ultra is ready for anything you throw at it, even those harsh outdoor lighting conditions. The Ultra is also packed with serious storage options, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 TB of storage, meaning there's ample space for everything from high-res photos to demanding apps. And if you're considering an exclusive color, act fast. Samsung's limited edition shades are known to sell out quickly, and with options this stunning, they won't stay in stock for long. Connectivity-wise, Samsung is setting the standard with 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6.0, ensuring you stay connected with lightning-fast speeds and enhanced stability. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, the S25 Ultra has you covered. Samsung has truly pulled out all the stops with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, combining luxury, choice, and cutting-edge technology. So, what feature or color has you the most excited? Drop a comment below, and be sure to subscribe so you won't miss any updates on Samsung's latest innovations. There's more excitement to come.